Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we shall read our next topic, that is biosphere, the domain of life. Student, this is our fifth and final reading video. Okay, so listen properly and try to learn difficult word meanings. Now start. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. There are several species of organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. Now, the meaning of species is a group or plants or animals that are all the same and that can breed together. अर्थात एक ही समान के प्रजाति के जानवर या पौधे, अर्थात एक ही जाति वर्ग के पौधे. नेक्स्ट मीनिंग माइक्रोब्स. द मीनिंग ऑफ माइक्रोब्स इज an extremely small living thing that you can only see with a special piece of equipment. अर्थात बहुत सूक्ष्म प्रकार के जीव जिन्हें एक विशेष प्रकार के उपकरण से ही देखा जा सकता है. All the living organisms including humans are linked together to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some ways or the other. Now, the meaning of domains is an area or location, अर्थात एक विशेष स्थान या जगह. For example, cutting a forest for fulfilling our needs of wood or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes. The meaning of removal is the action of taking somebody or something away, अर्थात किसी व्यक्ति या किसी वस्तु को उसके स्थान से हटा देना, अर्थात किसी चीज़ को वहाँ से डिस्प्लेस कर देना या हटा देना रिमूवल होता है. Similarly, Earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like earthquake. The meaning of calamity is a terrible event that causes a lot of damage or harm. अर्थात मुश्किल या कठोर विपत्ति या बहुत मुश्किल समय. For example, there could be submergence of land as happened in the case of tsunami recently. The meaning of submergence is to sink in water completely, अर्थात किसी चीज़ या किसी वस्तु का पानी में पूरी तरह से डूब जाना. Parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands were submerged underwater. Discharge of water material into lake and rivers makes the water unsuitable for human use. Now, the meaning of discharge is a substance that has come out of somewhere, अर्थात किसी वस्तु या किसी चीज़ का बाहर निकलना या किसी पदार्थ का बाहर निकलना. It also damages other forms of life. Emission from industries, thermal power plants and vehicles pollute the air. The meaning of emission is released or discharged, अर्थात बाहर निकलना. The meaning of thermal is connected with heat, अर्थात उष्मा या ताप संबंधी. Carbon dioxide CO2 is an important constituent of air. The meaning of constituent is one of the part that form something, किसी विशेष वस्तु का घटक या हिस्सा. But increase in the amount of CO2 leads to increase in global temperatures. This is termed as global warming. There is thus a need to limit the use of resources of the earth to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. So this is the end of the topic and end of the chapter also. Now student, try to learn difficult word meanings, and if you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy, good luck.